Hello friends. Power went out. Let's see how an Indian family talk about it in English. Let's learn. Dad, why did the power go out? Mom, I don't know. Did you check outside? Dad, not it. I will take a look. Son, Dad, the fan stopped too. Dad, yes, I know. It's a power cut. Daughter, how long will it take? Mom, hopefully not too long. Dad, open the windows. Daughter, they are already open. Mom, where's the emergency light? Son, I saw it in the kitchen. Mom, can you bring it here? Son, sure. Dad, is it charged? Daughter, it's almost dead. Mom, oh, great. Dad, don't worry, we have an inverter. Son, can I charge my phone? Dad, not yet. We need the light first. Son, okay, Dad. Mom, let's sit near the window. Daughter, can we play a game?